Hi, this is our short tutorial on how to size images in the online app. So what we're going to do is first go to the designer, as I've shown you in other tutorials. Then we're going to select, in this case I'll just select a design to make it easy. Once I get here, I'll select this design. These are the dimensions of the design. I'll select it. It pops up here. Now I have a choice whether to place it on the front, which is this little side here, the back, or on the sleeve. I'll let it be on the front for the moment. If I was to select it, I'll do another tutorial for the back and the sleeve, but for the moment I don't want it so big, so I'm going to put my cursor on the left hand top corner and I'm going to drag it down. Now I can, by holding the cursor in the middle, I can pull it to any part of the t-shirt that I wanted to get printed. So this is really useful if you want to size your t-shirts and make it look attractive on the shirt, position it in the middle. It's a very handy little tool. Out here you can see the position, you can see the directions it's going, you can flip it horizontally, you can go back, you can flip it sideways so it faces the other way. It's pretty neat, isn't it? Then you can also move it up, move it down. You could move it to the side. So it's very good. These little tabs will bring it forward, bigger. You can make it go to the bottom right, the top left. You can make it go up there. So I hope this tutorial helps you to print really good t-shirts with your images positioned properly. This is Claude here in Brisbane, bringing you great value.